Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. It is currently, what time is it? 10:48. So, and I have to be up at 5 in the morning and I'm not even done filming yet. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here using the Jaclyn Hill palette. But before we get started on the video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, do not forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever you post a video. Whenever I post a video. And please don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go in with is called Creamsicle. And I'm taking that on my Makeup Shot T43 brush. And I'm using that as my transition color. Okay, so now taking my Morphe M330 brush, I'm going to take the color Hunts, and I'm just going to deepen up my crease. I am going to keep it really rounded. I'm not flaring out the eyeshadow at all. I'm keeping it very to the center of, or to the corners of my eyes. Now taking the color Jax, and I'm going to focus this eyeshadow color basically on the outer corners of my eyes. I just want to, yeah, you'll see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make the outsides more smoky than like the very, very top, if that makes any sense. Okay, so now I'm going to take my concealer and that same concealer brush that I always use, and I'm going to carve out my crease like as if I'm doing a halo eye. Okay, so I am going to pat out the sides of the concealer just so when I put on the eyeshadow on top of it, it's easier to blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Beam, but I'm only going to apply that right at the top of where I cut my crease. Okay, so now taking a small packing brush, I'm going to take the color Creamsicle again, and I'm going to apply that right below the other color Beam. And I'm not taking it down to my lash line, I'm just keeping it right underneath because I'm going to go in with another color below that. So now taking my crown brush, my C209 Chisel Fluff brush, I'm going to go in with the color Hunts, and I'm going to apply that right onto my lash line, right below the color Creamsicle. Okay, now I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner pencil in Jet Black, and I'm just going to line my lash line really, really close. I'm not going very high with this. I do take a brush and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of smoke it out. I'm not bringing it too high up. Okay, so now I'm going in with the color Jax again, and I'm just gonna pack that on top of where I smoked out that eyeliner. And I do go back and forth with the colors Hunts and Jax and Creamsicle, and I'm just kind of blending them in, adding more color if I need to, and yeah. Okay, so once all that is blended, in order to deepen it up even more, I'm going to take the color Abyss and I'm just going to add that right into my lash line. Okay, so now for the glitter, I'm going to take NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Crystal Silk, and I'm just going to apply that right where I added the color Beam. Nowhere else, just to the very, very top of it. And the lashes I'm using are the same lashes, the top lashes from eBay. I will have them linked down below. I went ahead and finished off the rest of my face off camera, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the bottom of the eyes. I'm going to go in with the color Creamsicle and add that to the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the color Hunts and I'm going to add that on top of it, but getting closer to my lash line. Now going in with the color Jax, and I'm going to deepen it up even more, adding it closer to my lash line. And I'm just going to line my eyes with the NYX eyeliner pencil, the same one that I used before. And I'm just going to line my eyes, of course. And here is me singing a little weird. Okay, bye. Okay, so then I went ahead and added the color Abyss to the bottom of the eyes just to smoke it out even more. Yeah. Here I'm just adding the color Beam to the center of my eyes, and I did mix it in with the Amrezy highlighter. I did spray it with my Badescu before just to intensify it even more, just so my inner corner highlight would be even brighter. Okay, so for lips, I'm using the color Brown from Italia lip liner, and I'm going in the center with the color Rosette, I think, also from Italia. Why does it look so gray here? I don't know why. It doesn't look that in person. It looks really dark on here for some odd reason. I don't know. But anyways, okay, after that I go in with the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in the color Dulce K just into the center, and I did add her gloss So Cute on top of that. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do want to do a Q&A for my next video, so please leave your questions down below. Anything you guys want to know about me, I will be more than happy to answer. Just leave them all down below in the comment section. I just want to do a video so you guys get to know me a little bit better, just because all my videos have just been tutorials and you guys haven't really like interacted with me personally, so I kind of want to do a Q&A. So like I said, drop all your questions down below, and yeah, or you guys can go to my Instagram. You guys are more than welcome to go ask me questions there. So that's if I even get any questions, because if I don't get any questions, then there's no point. But I hope I do. I hope you guys wanted to get to know me. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and to like this video before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever I post another video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, these stupid commercials. Palette after I don't know how long. I don't even remember. It's dirty. Please don't forget to give this video a like. What? Okay.